Welcome to the channel, everybody. For those that don't know, I'm K.I. back at it. I make videos, music, talk about cars, daily life, etc. But today, we talking about TikTok making money and AI. And I want to show y'all how I use AI to grow one of my TikTok channels, and at one point was making over 700 a day. But let's jump right into it. So this right here, as you can see, it's one of my TikTok channels, Hidden Knowledge, K.I. back at it. I have videos on here that did well over 11 million. As you can see, 9 million. And I have a lot more going down the list. But people want to know, is it even still worth it to make these TikTok channels with AI or faceless channels? And I say that it is worth it. It just depends on the topic. And it depends on what you're talking about. And it depends on how you present it. But what I did was I used one of the sites. There's a lot of different sites, but I used this site right here. It's called Veed.io. And basically you go up there, you can pick pictures, you can use templates, you can use all different type of things to make these videos, which is very easy, it's simple, and it's pretty quick. And if you want to use their talkovers, they actually have voiceovers on Veed.io as well. But a lot of people like to go to 11 Labs, like how I did. I used most of my voiceovers. I made my voiceovers on 11 Lab. And then I took the voiceover and I went back to Veed.io. I uploaded the voice and I went from there. You know what I mean? That was the video. And you can come up with your own scripts. But like me, I used to use the AI. There's a lot of different AIs up there to come up with the script, but a lot of times I came up with my own scripts depending on what I wanted to talk about. For this TikTok channel right here specifically was about poisonous foods, things that's going on, things to keep you healthy, just a lot of different things, etc. But you can use different topics, dances, you can do automotive, you can do laundry, Max, you can do machinery, electric, whatever you want to do. And you just stick to that specific niche and topic. And as long as you're giving people good information, y'all, with your TikTok page, it's gonna grow. And sometimes, as you can see, I show my face in a lot of them, but you can leave it faceless. But those 3 programs right there is how I grew my TikTok to over 100,000 followers and made $700 a day, as you can see. So I just wanted y'all to see it. Drop a comment below if you did it before. Subscribe. I'm gonna have a lot more videos like these. And just gonna keep y'all updated on what's going on. But it is possible to make money with TikTok and to build a big following using AI.